Hey friends, if your PC restarts automatically after shutdown, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the only two solutions that you will need. Do not go with other solutions mentioned, because if you check other resources on the internet, they have stuffed up every possible solution that they can think of. However, only two will work. So hundreds of users have confirmed this on the Microsoft Answers forum. Search for Okay, rather press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Then click on change plan settings. Sorry, click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Turn off this option for turn on fast startup. Click on changes. This will solve the problem for 60% of the users, and if it doesn't, then simply do it through the registry editor window. So search for registry in the Windows search bar and click on registry editor to open the registry editor window. Go to the path hkey local machine system. I'll show you how to go. Hkey local machine system current control set control, then scroll down sessions manager, and then you will find this thing power here in this list. So go to power. In the right pane you will notice an entry named hyper boot enabled. Double click on it and its value will be 0. Its value will be 1. Change it to 0 and then click on OK. This is what has been mentioned here. Change the value hyper boot enable to 0 and then click on OK. Now what does this mean, the value 0 mean? It simply means that you're turning off a fast startup. If you're unable to turn it off from that menu, then you can turn it off from the registry editor window. And then obviously you can update the network adapter driver. So search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.